Maybe you're at a party and you don't know what to do. You find someone that you're interested in, you want to impress them. You look around and find a deck of cards. You get rid of the unnecessary stuff. And then you can check the deck, make sure that it looks good. This is called a flyover. It's my own invention. And what you're going to do now is you're going to impress them with your skills of shuffling. So you start shuffling the cards. And you can impress them more by shuffling more. Hopefully a little bit neater than this. And then what you're going to do is you can impress them with a little triple cut. That looks complicated. Now you tell the spectator to cut the cards in half and look at the bottom card. In this case, it's a 2 of clubs. Tell them to cut them again. And stay in the shot. And complete the cut. And then you grab the cards. And then you say, let's cut them one more time, just for good measure. And what you do now is shuffle again. One day I'm going to get this shuffling down, but I don't know if it's going to be anytime soon. So now the card's been cut several times, shuffled several times, and then you'll turn over 4 of the top cards. Tell the spectator that your card could be any one of these 4 cards. It could be this 5 of hearts, this 10 of spades, this 2 of clubs, or this ace of clubs. So, now you'll show the spectator that you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cards here. And one of these 4 cards may be your cards. You say, is one of those 4 cards your card? They'll tell you yes, it's the 2 of clubs. So you tell them that you're going to take the 2 of clubs out invisibly and put it right over here. They look at you like you're crazy because they didn't see anything. You hand the cards over to them, and they take the cards, and then you tell them to count the cards. And they count the cards. Well, now there's only 3 cards here. And you tell them, don't worry, the 2 of clubs is still here. You pick it up, and you hand it over to them, and then they take it, because they're as nuts as you are. You tell them, toss it into the deck. So, they toss it into the deck. So, we take the deck and we're going to spread it out, and I think I'll do another flyover because then you'll see that there's only 1 card in the deck that is face up, and that's the 2 of clubs. Is that the end of the trick? Well, not exactly, because the other 3 cards that the spectator did not choose have significance. We've got a 5, an ace, and a 10. So 10, 11, 16. If we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, that 2 of clubs was at the 16th position predicted by the 3 cards that were not chosen.